Jamal, you're actually pants. You're Barbie, but I'm action man. Cause I don't do talk, I will actually bang. If he's on it, you'll see me fracturing man. Cause Jamal, you're actually doo-doo. Draw for the African soul like voodoo. You're not big, I'll officially move you. 6'2", but you'll still get moved. Because you're 6'3". That doesn't mean man, they're not approach. You wanna lock my can't play any smoke for you. That's not hopeful.
Jeez! Hey Jamal, you got a big way to go, black. Big way to go.
Hey, bring it in, man. What's up,
That's
man?
I'm passing, coming to hype, can't even relaxing. You came here fucking thick and other parts, left you fucking man like you ain't on nothing, visit, yeah, keep on something, yeah. I don't play accepting you, then you get straight, face to face, man, you best know his face. Why do you know hyping and fronting? Like his weight, TSC pumping, and Michael get eaten like short fish dumplings, and mum looks scary like Halloween pumpkin.
Bangers. Reaction. Reload that. You get the weed.
Scary motherfucker.
Send that in. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Nigga.
I wrote this today about 11 o'clock. You don't rate me. That's the realish thing.
You need to clash with the spit there.
How clashing?
You get smart. Look at you, you ain't wanna clash with your shot.
Why Jamal hyping and fronting? Like his weight, he has been pumping, and I might get eaten like short fish dumplings, and mum looks scary like Halloween pumpkin. Why Jamal hyping and fronting? Like his weight, he has been pumping, and I might get eaten like short fish dumplings, and mum looks scary like Halloween pumpkin. Cause your mum is slightly dodgy, she offered me a wheelbarrow and a doggy.
What's Bertling?
It's like some nets, innit? Just sit
Your mum is slightly dodgy, she offered me a wheelbarrow and a doggy. Fuck you, let me know this.
Oh shit!
Oh shit, look at that one!
But they know what to say about it.
You know that we...
I go on YouTube.
I thought we were dead, you know.
Hey, come man, man.
I'm young, but I'm heartless, man like you. I smell like chihuahuas, blizzard, yeah. I rep that tag, I'm on this thing. So watch your back, punch in the floor. Use a pad that I'm shower this like shower cat. Movies, yeah. That's when the clicks are looking for us. You fix, crash me slip. Yeah, I'm on it, step to me. I've been sick like one movies, yeah. That's when the clicks don't wanna clash. Boy, you can move the flicks like you should be like. You went hard, so be wise. Movies, yeah. Looking for us. It's overtime, I'm waking up us.
Reload it.
Yeah, reload it.
I don't know, man, want to speak to that girl.
No, over to your knuckles, bro.
Hey. Oh no, fuck the thing.
Fucking it up.
That one was nice, bro. Hey, what's that stuck here?
J-Man.
AJ. One point mine, innit?
A-Man.
Clash.
Yes.
Your mum pop pills like they got smart stuff. Take your mum on over her car. You ain't gone fast, you ain't no yardy. So I might don't try act hardy. Like you've got a shank or a bucky on mic, you'll get eaten like Kentucky. Play champion, I'm not lucky. Cause on mic I think you're crappy. Look at your hair, it's clearly nappy. Stop jumping on top like that. Cause you're
Hey, go and drop your last 3 seconds. Drop your last 16. Well, then you drop a swift 8. I'll drop a swift 8. Okay. Making weight, Joe, it doesn't bother me. You're skinny because your fam's in poverty. I'm fat, I say it proud and properly. Your fridge freezer and mum's my property. Me in the kitchen, it's not robbery. You don't read your mum, that's luck or the lottery. If you've heard me, ain't heard the lottery. Rearrange your facial features like pottery.
Reload that, reload.
Hey,
Reload that.
I mean,
Hey, phone up criminal on you tomorrow in bus. Nah, man, don't talk, man.
Yo, my man's gone. He's gone, my man's
He
gone.
lost. He lost. He got. See that? Hey, he got walking away. Hey.
I follow him, lad. I
Hey, that's dread, man. That's dread, man. That's him, lad. Try to poach him, lad. He's shit. Go home, lad.
Merkage.
Hey,
Merkage. I want to have my phone now.
No. Look, yeah, www.myspace.com/Northwest Youngster. Log on to that to see this bum.